Hi guys, so I'm really excited because I just received this dog crate furniture for reviewing purposes. So let's open it up, assemble it up, and let's see how it looks, okay? Come on.
Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation and assembly process is actually really simple. It does take a bit, but I think that it all assembled up, it's really nice. I like that you have two doors, so you can have two of your dogs separated, or if you wanted just one open area, you can take out the middle part, which I think that it's really nice. And I love the colors. They have a really beautiful combination, the wood-like design with the metal and the white color of the main unit, and I think that they are gonna love it.
Okay guys, as you can see, when that it's already set up, it's really beautiful. We have this open countertop, so we can place whatever we want. We have 4 different drawers to place anything that we need to storage it, and we have the proper main units when we can place our pets, like this. You can take them and move the gate, okay? You have this exit and this other side one, which I think that it's really nice, depending of which one you want to use. Come on. And you have this divider that you can take out if you want, so you have more space between them, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, as you could see, it was an easy installation. It did take a bit, but I think that the finished product, it's amazing. You have these really beautiful black metal accents, and I think that they look really nice. And overall, because it's really easy to set up, it's great to have your dogs secured, and you get a countertop and 4 different drawers to take everything that you need inside of them. I think that it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.